Okay, so I'm right here at a Palmetto Hospital. I chatted with Van Berg to describe about these Trane XP1000 unit. About these Trane units. This is an XP1000. That's a Odyssey right there. It kind of looks like it has a bad install on it. This one's a straight cool unit. It's really tiny air conditioner. But don't know what kind of Tranes they made around here. It's from 1992. It's a 1.5 ton air conditioner. Here's another one right here. It's a Trane Odyssey. And these coils are freaking deteriorating. I need to get it replaced. It's a 90,000 BTU from 1992. Anyways. Oh, look at that. Seeing it start up. Kind of don't know what kind of fan motor it uses, but yeah, I kind of see if I can find more air conditioners around here anyways. Okay, so what I just said about earlier that I couldn't get into those fences right over there. There's like a couple of air conditioners from up here. There's a Marine Classic series right there, and these two are Rude commercial series. They're actually running. I'm not pretty sure there's more back there, but anyways, over and out.